Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change a character AI profile. Like over here, you can see the option of after opening here, you can see the option at the top right corner, a profile icon. Tap on it. There you will come across this page. Tap on setting. Then here you can see the option of Y and edit. Here they will generate a picture. Here you can see you can also upload by tapping on upload. This will direct you to your gallery. I have no pictures right now, so I won't do that. I will let the AI generate it for me. There you go, you have uploaded a picture. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.